Okay, here it is. See this right here? This is a leakage between this PVC and that floor right there, because that is the cellar right there. I'm not going to pick that stuff up because, oh well, I don't have to. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to caulk all this under here. All I can do is caulk it. Let me see. Yeah, all I can do is caulk it. I don't know what else to do right now. Oh, there's all my stuff. Zorro, were you kidding me? Are you the best kitty ever? I think I have a knife over here, don't I? Oh, it's probably in here. Yep, right there. That's what I want to use to scrape that plastic. That's my honey under a hair dryer. And I'm going to scrape all this. And although it doesn't need it up here, this is all scrapable stuff underneath the pipe, but I want to get it on this pipe too. And this is where I think we're going wrong. Hang on, you. Got that? You're probably going to fall over, but oh well. I want to scrape all that off, because I think there's a problem between this plastic PVC, oh, you got it, and the brass pipe underneath. And if I scrape this off, I could get a cleaner, more steady yeah. Oh, I'm going to caulk this whole thing. And I'm going to stick my finger on the end of this caulking gun. Like so. I'm going to squeeze this trigger. I'm going to take the tension off. I'm going to pick this stuff up right here. And I am going to caulk, baby. Caulk. Because this pipe doesn't move unless we move the sink. And or what I just did was kind of make sure that it... Okay, I need my other hand now. Or I should say my other finger. And I'm going to caulk all the way around. And I didn't get a good spot on the other side. In other words, I didn't clean it out as best I could on the wood. So I gotta kind of push my finger into it. But seeing as this pipe on the top is bigger than the brass pipe underneath, I can just pull it up like this and it should seal underneath. And all it is dropping water pressure. It's not water pressure per se like through a pipe. So if I caulk this like this, we should be fine. Oh, damn camera's full of caulk now. If it is, sold my finger. That's why I brought this towel with me. Alright, you guys are done. See, I got all over my finger. I got all over the camera. Hang on. Hang on. And what I'll do is I'll come back later when all this is dry, and I'm going to caulk it again. I'm cleaning my camera off because I don't want my camera to be caulked. See? Hang on. There we go. There we go. Alright, so that's what we did. We did that right there, and we caulked it. And it should be okay, because it's just falling water. I should say that. It's just falling water. Alright. Something I should have done 10 years ago, I'm doing it today. I am. Problem solved.